This 10-inch Skar Audio SVR-10 D4 subwoofer delivers extremely strong low-end output, easily filling a car cabin with tight, hard-hitting bass. Its high-power handling, with a peak ceiling in the 1,000-watt range and a very stout continuous rating, lets it pair confidently with serious aftermarket amplifiers. The heavy ferrite motor and efficient cooling system help the sub stay composed during long, loud listening sessions without obvious power compression or overheating. A robust multi-layer copper voice coil and competition-focused suspension give it the control needed for both punchy kick drums and deep bass sweeps. The high-roll surround and rigid, pressed paper cone work together to provide impressive excursion while still sounding clean and accurate. With a tuning that reaches into the lower bass frequencies and a mounting depth that fits many common enclosures, it is a flexible choice for daily music systems that still want show-worthy output.